perturbation. Answer: equanimity. Derision. Answer: acclaim. Corpulent. Answer: obese. Stupid. Answer: warm. Hedonist. Untainting. Answer: thought aggressive. Live river. Answer: cordon throng. Script novel. Answer: Swiss cloth. Perry blow. Answer: equivocal question. Novulus from. Answer: inspired taste. My uncle was afflicted. Answer: with a serious illness and was almost confident to bed for more than 2 months. I was disappointed. Answer: at not finding the doctor in his state. He has a holier than thou attitude means that. Answer: he thinks he is morally better than other. Answer: he thinks he is morally better than others. To meet one Waterloo means. Answer: to meet one's final defeat. Either revenue or protection are the purpose of tariffs. Answer: either revenue or protection is the purpose of tariff. The woman who was the winner's voice had an excited turn so it made her sound serial. Answer: the woman winner voice had an excited turn so the death of the ordinary Greek in classical times was largely vegetarian. Vegetable, fishes, oatmeal, and meal cakes, and meat really. Answer: with meat as a rea- rarity. The direction in which the earth and the other solid planet, Mercury, Venus, and Mars split were determined from Colossians with um, gained celestial bodies in the early history of the solar system. Answer: space was determined through Parliament did not accord full referred benefit to 12 of the recent immigrants because it believed that to it regards them for entering the country illegally. Answer: doing so would reward on an appropriate test in 1983 an assessment postulated that the possibility of conducting banking transaction from home was as likely as playing cards, an assessment that today sound. Answer: pro poster hours. The director inserted deliberate answer anachronisms into the play. For example, Hamlet typed his letters to Ophelia on a laptop.